how to change your Android Quick Panel to an iOS-style control center layout. This tutorial shows you how to separate your notifications and quick settings into two separate panels on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. After that, swipe down again to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. From there, tap on the pencil or edit icon to enter edit mode. At this point, tap on the panel settings option at the top left corner of the screen. In the next step, you'll see two layout options, together and separate. Following this, by default, it will be set to together, meaning both your notifications and quick settings appear in the same panel when you swipe down. Once done, tap on Separate to split them into two individual panels. From here, once Separate is selected, swiping down from the right side of your screen will bring up your Quick Settings panel, just like the iOS Control Center. At this stage, swiping down from the left side of your screen will bring up only your Notifications panel, keeping everything neatly divided. Finally, try it out by swiping down from the right to open your quick settings and then swiping down from the left to view your notifications to confirm both panels are now working separately. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you set up an iOS-style control center layout, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.